get started, you want to arrange your loops on the board side by side, and then you want to find the center, and you want to take one of the threads at the end of one of your loops and one from the other. But you want to work with the thread right at the end where they meet in the center. You take one from one and then one from the other loop. And then you want to knot these together, and you can knot these in whichever direction you like if they're the same colour like mine are. And then you want to work with your next colour in your sequence. Separate out the next thread on one side and then on the other. And then at both sides you're going to work these towards the centre. So you're going to do both of your knots either side toward the central point. Do one side and then do the same thing at the other side. And when both of these threads are in the centre, you can then knot these together. And then you want to pick out your next colour in your sequence. And once again, you're going to knot towards the centre both times. And then you want to do the same thing at the other side. So pick out the next colour in your sequence. And then knot towards the centre. And once you're in the centre, you can again knot your threads together. And you can repeat these steps with each thread in your sequence until you've knotted all of them towards the central point. And once you've done that, you should end up with something that looks like this. So now you can continue the rest of your bracelet as a chevron or try a different pattern.